Hi there. Welcome to another episode on how to look after your Royal Enfield Interceptor or Continental GT. In the unlikely event of your motorcycle not starting, what can you do? Here's a 4-step process. Check whether the ignition switch is on. Check whether the kill switch is on. Check whether there's fuel in the tank. If not, fill it up. Check if the fuel pump is working by listening for this sound in the fuel tank. If there's no trouble with your fuel supply, proceed to check the fuses. The fuse carrier is located below your seat. Open the right-hand panel and pull the seat release. Open the fuse carrier lid. Gently remove and check the fuses. Begin with the main fuse. And then the ECU or Electronic Control Unit fuse. If a fuse is blown, replace it with the replacement fuse available in the fuse carrier. Should you still face difficulties, check your battery connections. Open the left-hand panel with a 4mm Allen key. Check if the negative connector is secure. Check the negative terminal and check the positive terminal. Now check the spark plugs. Check if the plug and cap are wet. If so, dry them. Check the gap between the electrode and spark plug. It should be between 0.7 to 0.8 mm. Check the connection with the HT lead. And if there's a spark between the HT cable and spark plug. And that's it. You've just taken a step towards keeping your Royal Enfield twin in good shape.